You all set? Take all the time you need. Nothing a woman likes more than being kept waiting. But seriously, get your ass in gear already! You all set? Awesome. Meet me at the station after dark. Don't be late.
It's just another job.
Huh?
Tough break. They changed the times. Last train's already left. Which is why we borrowed these bikes. Need a lift to the plate?
How did you guess?
Easy. You've been acting weird. Like talking about one thing when you're obviously thinking about something else.
Yeah, and don't get me started on all that pep.
All right, I'll give you that. But how did you know I wanted to head topside? Was I talking in my sleep? What else did I say?
No, we just figured you wanted to see your parents, that's all.
Nailed it, huh?
Yep, right on the head.
So, seeing as we don't have any family of our own, how about you let us be a part of yours for a bit? You know, spread the wealth.
Are your parents still around?
Huh? No.
Okay then, guess you're all invited. Here's to awkward family reunions.
Yeah!
I take it you boys have your brand spanking new IDs?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's lay down some rubber.
Crank that throttle!
Okay, you got it.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Just so you know, I'm not going plateside for the reason they think I am. Look, you saw the way the reactor went up. It was huge, right?
Because of all the Mako. Isn't that what you said?
Yeah. That was wishful thinking. Deep down, I know it was my fault. I used a more powerful blasting agent than the directions called for. It had nothing to do with the Mako.
Let's say you're right. So what?
I'm planning on using a weaker blasting agent this time. But, since I can't get in touch with my supplier, our only option is to loot a warehouse owned by Shinra.
Shinra? Good luck with that.
With your help, we won't need luck. ID scan, ready?
So far, so good.
Alright, here comes the hard part.
And that is...
The fake IDs may have held up, but from this point on, we can ping by scan.
They'll come for us.
Yeah, what he said.
Oh, man.
Just like that?
No need to worry. We've got Cloud, remember? Hey, you do know how to drive, right?
Soldiers get mandatory training.
Well then, you gonna take my breath away? Make my head spin with your amazing skills?
Don't blame me if you get sick.
We've got company!
Someone's having fun.
How can I not? Pursued by villains, a young couple thrust together by fate race through the neon street night.
You know,
Wow! We need backup!
Oh, my hero!
Straight to lethal force?
What, so you just pull over if they ask nicely? See? The crystal will be back now. I think my heart just skipped a beat. Have the cold-eyed mercenary's heart suddenly begun to melt? I won't forget that. Wait, is it just me or did we slow down?
just you.
I think we've bitten off more than we can chew. What do we do?
Shut up.
We need help! Please! That's freaking ridiculous! These things can't take too much damage! Target scan. Moving to intercept.
Got more company.
A-team's here.
I'll make the sound of that.
We're not screwed, are we? You okay?
That's some super secret technique. You got a fancy name for it?
Of course not.
Jesse, look out!
Feeling good back here. Heads up! Drones!
One thing after another. Come on, Wedge. Gun it.
I am gunning it!
Good. Nothing about this is good.
You got me.
Fair enough. All right then. Do your thing.
Have to say something. Now you're just spoiling.
saying he's less than a few minutes out.
Copy. Think it's him? Well, we can finish this quick. That kind of trouble.
Pay more attention, Cloud! Nice one! Very nicely done!
That's an ex-soldier for you. Next to him, we look like kids on trikes.
You're damn right!
You're part of that we too, you know.
We made it! Woo! Topside!
Keep going till we hit the station?
No, head straight for the warehouse. Aww. Our magical ride is almost at an end.
Why are you talking like we're not here?
Because you're not.
Clearly we are.
Not over yet. Cloud! Little help! Get up, Cloud!
Cloud, you really are good at this.
Time's up. Break off before he soaks. Copy.
What's going on? Who's that?
Soldier.
Well, hello!
Who's this?
Too quick for the eye. You cross him, you die. Now, mind if I cut in? Woo! Splendid! I've been looking for a new dance partner. Private party, huh? That's fine. I'll settle for a race then. Just kidding.
You talking to me?
I most certainly am.
Then no.
So terribly sorry. Your words failed to reach my ears, sluggish and slow as they are.
What's the deal?
The lady's curiosity has been piqued. My name is Rose, but you may address me by the more accurate appellation. Speed Demon!
Heard that, huh?
My ears are attuned to the feminine voice.
Ugh, this guy is the worst.
Yes, this is the contest I've been waiting for.
Take him out, Cloud!
Rude!
Take care of your bike!
Wonderful gift you've given to me! How the fire rages! Give us a smile. Come on, you look more dashing if you did. I only have eyes for you. Don't you dare look away. Your eyes are for me alone. Careful, Cloud! A fiery gift for you.
What is he up to now?
Same shit. Me and the other.
Not bad. You have promise and an abiding affection for your friend. But one cannot simply ride one's bike. Nay, one must unlock its true potential. Become one with the machine. Like this. Take My heart rate's faster by the second.
2. Had enough?
Don't be absurd. As if I could ever grow tired of your company. Naughty, naughty! Until one of our flames is forever extinguished, our thanks will never end! Good for me! Rude! Ho ho ho! Come on, let's push it past the red line!
Jesse, take over.
Well, well, well. I do believe this round is yours. Maybe next time we can keep it just between the two of us.
Maybe.
Until we meet again, my friend!
We did it!
Go team!
Don't get too excited. Reinforcements are hot on our trail. You passed the test.
What test?
Driving.
Did more than just pass.
Not really. You made it by the skin of your teeth, if we're being honest.
Whatever.
I bet you held back because I was with you.
Didn't want you to fall.
So now I'm too weak to stay on a bike? Huh? Huh?
Just hold on tight, will you? What?
I might be falling after all. Psych. Oh, would you look at that? It's the end of the ride. We'll go on foot from here. Don't want to draw too much attention to ourselves.
Hey, did these things leave a mark?
They got you pretty good.
Ugh, and I'm running on fumes.
Don't worry, we'll top you up soon enough. Now let's roll.